Hi everyone, today with me I have Vincent and he is my new favorite cutting board and he is absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at those handles on the side and how the wood grain just integrates perfectly and seamlessly into there. It looks super gorgeous and you get these deep juice grooves all around for catching any excess liquid. This board is 15 inches in diameter and 1.5 inches thick, which is great for stability. I really like how they included the handles for carrying, of course, and you can flip it to the other side if you would like. As you can see, there's no juice grooves on this side if you want to use a more expensive workspace, which is awesome as well that they give you that option. Now, taking care of your board should be a big priority and they make it super easy for you by giving you a couple tips. For example, Vincent is letting you know that he gets thirsty just like you and you have to oil him at least once every 3 weeks, and they make sure to include all the instructions of how to oil, why you should oil, and how to clean it. For instance, you're not supposed to soak sweet little Vincent into water or submerge him. These are wood products, so you want to be careful with them and take care of them, and they should never, and I mean never, be washed in the dishwasher. All right, you guys? And if you hate instructions, don't worry, they include the short version for you right here. Vincent is not only gorgeous and amazing, but he makes for a perfect cutting board. Check this out on Amazon. It is amazing, and I'm definitely stunned by the beauty and the quality of this board. I definitely recommend anyone who loves to cook as much as I do to get this.